Hello, boys and girls. This is the Solve and Show for Lesson 8-1. Go ahead and make sure you have this page in front of you, and then we will get started. Let's listen to the problem.
Jada uses yellow and red counters to show that 4 equals 2 plus 2. Use red and yellow counters to show a different way to take apart 4. Color to show your counters, and then write an equation to match. Tell how your work is like Jada's work, and then how it is different.
So, they used a lot of words, but basically what they want us to do is here under Jada's work square, she said 4 equals 2 plus 2. She colored 2 of her counters yellow and 2 red. Over here under your square where it says my work, you also have 4 counters, but you need to color it different than what Jada did. So Jada did 2 yellow. You cannot do 2 yellow over here. You can do 1 yellow, 3 yellow, or 4 yellow. You cannot do 2. So do 1 or 3 yellow. And then here, Jada had 2 red. You have to do the rest of whatever you don't color yellow red. So, watch what I do. I'm going to begin with my yellow, and I'm getting my paintbrush out. And I know Jada did 2 yellow, and I have to do something different than her. So I cannot do 2 of them yellow. So I am going to color 1 of my counters yellow. And then right down here, where it shows my yellow counter, right here, I'm going to write, how many did I color yellow? 1. I'm going to write the number 1. Now, the rest of them, if I didn't color it yellow, that means I need to color it what? Red. Well, let's check it. Jada has 2 red. I'm not allowed to do the same thing as Jada. I have to do something different. So instead of 2 red, how many am I going to color red? What do I have left over? I have 3 left over. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3 of mine red. And what number am I going to write right down here under my 3 or over my red? I'm going to write 3 because I had 3 red counters. Now, is our work the same as Jada's? Well, in one way, we both reached what number at the end? We both have 4 counters at the end, don't we? But how is it different? Jada used 2 yellow and 2 red to get 4. We used 1 yellow and 3 red to get 4. Now look at this. You do not need to erase it, but I'm going to show you something different. Maybe I did not want to use 1 yellow. Maybe I wanted to use 3 yellow. So I'm going to color 3. 1, 2, 3. If I colored 3 counters yellow, what number am I writing above my yellow counter? I'm writing a 3. Again, you do not have to do this because you already did it the other way with me. Just watch me. And how many do I have left to color red? Just 1, right? So, what number am I going to write down here above my red counter? I'm going to write a 1 because that's how many I colored red. Now look, this is different than what I did before, isn't it? And it's also different from Jada's work. So we can add different numbers together to get the same number. Jada added 2 and 2. We added 3 and 1. So you could do all different types of addition and come up with the same number as long as you're being careful and checking your work and writing the correct numbers down. Thank you for doing this video with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.